YouTube, it's your boy JStreets1017 bringing you quite a special video today. It is 10 pieces of clothing every young man should own. So with these 10 pieces of clothing, you probably already own most of them. You will have no excuse for living like a bum. You will look good every day. First of all, these aren't specific items like you need a V-neck t-shirt, this brand, this color, and it's gonna cost you this much. No, it's gonna be like general items. So most of them I'm actually gonna give you both a cheap and a expensive example of the item. So no more ranting, let's go! So the first thing you're gonna need is a pair of very versatile shoes. My choice is the Converse All-Star High Black, but you can choose other shoes I like the Vans Authentic or PF Flies or something of that now. The reason is that they're just so versatile. Think of a outfit that you can throw this on. Goes pretty much anything. White t-shirt, shorts, jeans and a sweater. I don't know, you can throw this on anything and still look good. Number 2 is you need a pair of shoes, sneakers that you just don't beat the fuck up. A pair of sneakers that you keep in good condition so that you always have a pair of fresh looking sneakers. This is where the cheap and expensive thing comes into play. This one, Air Jordan Speyside, probably gonna run you $150 US. This one looks really nice, about $70-60. This is Jack and Jones. Yes, it is a little dirty from walking in salt. So yeah, just keep a pair of nice clean sneakers for whenever you need them. Number 3 pick is a pair of well-fitting black jeans. The reason I chose these was pretty much for the same reason as the shoes, because they are very versatile. You can wear this with anything. By great fitting, I mean you don't have to wear skinny jeans if you don't feel comfortable or anything in them, but just so they don't sit all baggy and shit all around, so that they complement your figure a little bit. And the great thing about these, you can pick these up anywhere for a very good price. I think I paid like $30 for these, and with $30 you can't go wrong. And number 4 is probably the only one where you only have a kind of expensive example. It is a pair of brand quality jeans. Mine are Levi's, but you could go with something like Obey or Cheapmunk. They have some pretty good stuff too. Yes, these are gonna cost you a bit, probably around $100 or so. It's not really bad, but it's more than $30, so that is number 4. Number 5 is probably gonna be your most versatile out of them all. It is gonna be a black or white t-shirt without a print. This is gonna be very versatile. You can wear these with almost anything and in almost all price classes. This one I got right here, white v-neck, Fruit of the Loom, cost me like $3. This one is really good quality, but cost me like $30. So you can get them in all price ranges. And on a little side note, when you're wearing a blank t-shirt, fit is much more important because it draws more attention to your build and such. So be aware, you need to get them really great fitting. Number 6 is gonna be a printed t-shirt, just for when you wanna go a little more here and such. It's not gonna be your most versatile, but you can still wear it with a lot of things. It is also pretty cheap, almost as cheap as the white and black one. This one I think I paid like $9, but you can also get them a lot more expensive like this one. It is a pretty good brand, but I think I paid like $40 for that, and I actually prefer this one. I just love this design. That is number 6. Number 6, I think, is just gonna be when you're feeling a bit classy, so you just wanna wear a nice button-up shirt. Even though this is a little classy, it's actually very versatile because you can do many different things with it. You can like roll the sleeves up, or you can have it buttoned up all the way like I am right now, or you could have it buttoned like this with the top one open, or if it's your thing, have it buttoned up all the way. I don't know, you just need one of these, and comes in a lot of price classes. This is a Jack & Jones, $40 or such. This one is a brand nobody has heard about, but it's cost me like $20 or so, and it fits me very well. So you can get these in many price classes as well, so go get yourself a checkered shirt. So number 8 is a hoodless kind of jacket. Mine is a college jacket, picked it up for about $50 or so. Very versatile, you can wear it with a lot of things. I'm wearing it with a white t-shirt, but you can wear it with like a printed, a button-up shirt, anything. Goes with anything. And if you really like hoods, hoodies are up next. Number 9. As I said last, in number 8, it is a hoodie. I usually actually don't wear the hood on this one, but I got it on here just to show that it actually has a hoodie. This one from Jack & Jones. I know I shop at a lot of Jack & Jones, but it cost me like $50-60 or so. And it just looks really good, fits me really well. And you just gotta have a hoodie. And finally, number 10. I know a lot of guys would say that this is a accessory, but I just throw it in here. It is some kind of nice hat, like a snapback or a fitted cap. The reason you should have this, once again, versatility. You can wear this when you don't want to use a lot of time on your hair, or when you just want to go snapback, white t-shirt, shorts and Chuck Taylors, and then you're just killing it. So that is why you should have one of these. And last of all, as I have the sun setting in my background, I would just like to thank you for watching my video. If you made it this far, I think I deserve a like. And if you would like to see more of me, subscribe up here. I will be bringing you a lot more videos. And thanks for watching. J Street signing out.